Salt Lake City is quickly becoming one of the most popular places for electric vehicle (EV) owners. With the help of local EV installers, Salt Lake City residents can easily find an affordable home EV installation cost that fits their budget. From affordable kits to custom installations, you'll be able to find the perfect solution for your home EV installation cost needs. The introduction of electric vehicles, otherwise known as EVs, to the consumer market has been an exciting development in the automotive industry. As the technology continues to improve, EV ownership is becoming increasingly accessible for more people, including those here in the Salt Lake City area. Home EV installation is the process of installing a home charging station for an electric vehicle. This involves connecting the charging station to the home's electrical system and ensuring that it is properly grounded, wired, and mounted. It is important to ensure that all safety protocols are followed and the installation is done properly in order to prevent any potential electrical hazards. In Salt Lake City, affordable home EV installations are available by qualified electricians. These companies offer a variety of services and products to fit the needs of their customers, including installation of the charging station, electrical wiring, and ensuring that all safety protocols are met. They also can help with the selection of the EV charging station and ensure that it is compatible with the home's electrical system. Salt Lake City has been at the forefront of the electric vehicle (EV) installation in the United States. The city has invested heavily in EV infrastructure and has made EV adoption more affordable than ever before. In 2019, Salt Lake City launched a pilot program to reduce the cost of EV installation in homes, which allowed residents to install an EV charger for a fraction of the usual cost. The city also offers several incentives to encourage EV adoption, such as a $750 rebate for the purchase of an EV charger, a 10-cent per kilowatt-hour reduction in electricity rates for EV owners. Salt Lake City also offers workshops and classes to educate residents about the benefits of owning an EV and how to use the charging stations. Installing an electric vehicle charging station at home provides a number of benefits. First, it eliminates the need to visit a public charging station, thus eliminating the possibility of long lines and wait times. This can be especially beneficial for those who have limited access to public charging stations, such as those living in rural or remote areas. Users are able to charge their EVs in a more convenient and secure location, making them more likely to make use of the EV charging options available. Looking into the cost of affordable home EV installation in Salt Lake City, it's important to do your research to find the most cost-effective solution for your needs. And many service providers in Salt Lake City offer discounts and other incentives, such as free installation or discounts on labor or parts. Additionally, some of the local authorities provide grants or tax credits to help reduce the cost of installing an EV charger in your home. By researching the incentives and discounts offered, you can save a considerable amount of money on the overall cost of home EV installation in Salt Lake City. The factors that affect the cost of home EV installation in Salt Lake City can be broadly categorized into two: upfront costs and ongoing costs. Upfront costs include the cost of the EV charging station itself, installation fees, permits, and other associated costs. Ongoing costs include the cost of electricity to charge the vehicle, maintenance and repairs. Additionally, the type of EV charging station purchased and the complexity of the installation can also affect the total cost. Now, for example, a Level 2 charging station will be more expensive than a Level 1 charging station due to its increased charging speed. If the installation requires additional electrical work, or if the charging station needs to be installed in an area with limited access, this may add to the cost of the installation. Ultimately, understanding these factors and researching the best options for a particular situation can help to ensure an affordable home EV installation in Salt Lake City. Local installers like us can provide advice on the best solutions for a particular home, taking into account the size and layout of the home. We can also provide guidance on the best way to save on energy costs and maximize the efficiency of an EV. For more details, please contact us with the information on this video.